Good morning, my name is Diony Gamoso and I'm a biological sciences technician with the Presidio Trust doing habitat restoration here at Inspiration Point. And we have Presidio Park Steward volunteers helping us with the planting. Today we'll be planting bee plants, toyon, and coast live oak, all of which provide really important habitat to the wildlife that are out here.
Hi, I'm Annette Russell. I manage the Presidio Nursery. And today we're working on a common wintertime activity at the nursery. Our plants during the wintertime are dormant, and so it's a great time for planting, both out in the field and also replanting them into a new pot. So we are taking plants from this Luke-sized pot and transplanting them into a vader. This is a really important task that is done primarily by volunteers at the Presidio Nursery.
I'm Lou Stringer, Associate Director of Conservation Stewardship and Research, Natural Resources. We plant in the wintertime in order to take advantage of the rains that usually come between October and May. We do that because we want to make sure that the plant's roots have plenty of water to do their growth with. If we plant in the dry season, that means we likely have to irrigate for those plants. This particular location and all through the Presidio, we in the Trust have been implementing a project to restore the wildlands, the native indigenous species that used to be here. So the area that you see here, we're actually converting from what was escaped Monterey pine and cypress that had gotten to the end of their life and had started to kind of come apart. And we removed those trees a few months ago and are now planting grassland species that consist of as many 30 species of indigenous plants to the Presidio, where we collected seed from the last remnant plants and grew them in our nursery and have been planting them out in this location.
Many of these volunteers have been coming out for years and every single week working hard, helping us with our restoration work. I encourage you to come out and volunteer with us sometime. At the very least, come out and enjoy the park. We ask people stay on the trails and keep their pets under control.